In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Gemini AI something went wrong error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through the fixes by the most common way to fix it. So the first fix is to force close the Gemini app. So go ahead and force close it by doing that and just close all apps and then try again. Now the next fix is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So this is one of the most common causes as well. So we can go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now if mobile data is on, go ahead and turn airplane mode on, off, and then try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Now if Gemini loads on one network but not the other, it's more than likely a network block or a DNS issue. Now if you got any VPNs, ad blocks, private DNS running in the background, so those many something went wrong errors come from those blocked Google requests. So just disable VPNs, disable ad guards, ad blocks, private DNSs, etc. Now another thing what we can try is to clear the Gemini app cache. This is for Android only. So go to your Play Store, sorry, not your Play Store, settings, and then scroll down, look for apps kind of near the bottom of the page here, and then do a search, type in Gemini. Here it is here. Now under app info, you want to scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. Now the next fix is to go to your Play Store and update the app. So open it up, click on the search, type in Gemini. Here it is here. So if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now the last fix here is just simply restart your phone.